ano ng estado ng ano niyo? Magpasikat.
Okay naman. Kahapon hindi ako naka-rehearse kasi may sakit ako kahapon. But, nung last rehearsal namin, ano kahapon ba? I think it was Saturday or Friday. We were very happy.
Pulido na?
Hindi pa. Getting there. Alam mo naman sa amin, ang daming parinigan. Pag magkakasama kami. And ang ganda ng spirit of competitiveness, spirit of everybody trying to outdo each other. But at the end of the day, syempre, isang pamilya kami. So it brings out the best in us. So, ako, I'm very, very excited.
Nagtataguan talaga kayo?
Oh yeah, even rehearsals, sarap.
Hindi kayo naging saan yan? Iwa-hiwalay na lugar?
Hindi, same din, pero naka-schedule. So minsan nakikita namin, ano yun? Bakit may may ganon, may silipan. But at the same time, ako personally, ang experience ko every time, most especially this year, is that natututo ako as a performer on how I can even express the art more. In a way that's exciting, in a way na hindi putyo-putyo lang.
Tsaka mga bata yung kasama mong iba-iba.
Kasama iba yung utak nila, iba yung energy nila. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam as a performer, as a host. Although napakahirap.
Oo, kasi
getting ang mahal, getting sponsors.
kami mga sponsors na naman kayo, di ba? So kayo talaga yan, yung team nyo, kayo lang yung, kami yung buong, halimbawa stage o kung ano na yan.
So, para kang nasa college. Alam mo yun.
Buong project kasi yung
kailangan natin ng ganito. And andun yung resourcefulness, andun yung networking.
So makikita mo kung sinong grupo yung walang sponsor. Charot. Wala silang props na maganda.
Lahat naman meron. Lahat naman.
Sufficient for vision.
So kanino kayo natatakot ngayon na ilan magpasikat mo na?
This is my fourth or fifth? Parang fourth. I'm not sure. Fourth or fifth. Kanina kami natatakot. Sa lahat. Lahat magaling.
Nanalo ba yung grupo mo dati?
The highest that I've ever won is second place. Kami ni Ann last year. Nung unang sali ko, I think we were dead last. Second year that I joined, we were third. Last year, we were second.
So
So dapat ngayon first talaga ngayon.
I don't look at those things. Ayoko mag-expect kasi especially for yung team namin na lalo na yung staff kasi may kanya-kanya kaming staff.
Hinati-hati
Sila
na.
yung talaga namang
working
Bugbog.
props, connecting with art department, with sponsors, and then they also have to put up a show.
Kasi may daily pa kayo
Behind the scenes. It's, I feel for them na pag natalo yung so ako ang mindset ko lagi, let's just do our best.
Hindi mo pa ba na-unlock ang secret or technique or strategy para
It's
talagang
hard.
walang ganun?
It's hard kasi every year iba-iba ang judges. Iba-iba ang flavor, timpla na hinahanap nila.
Hindi pwedeng planuhin.
Hindi
Anong araw kayo?
the execution is probably important. That you are able to communicate what you want to communicate and that your message is clear. Feeling ko yun ang importante. I may be wrong. Ano araw kami? Tuesday kami. So that's next Tuesday.
So pwede pang kasi may
Tuesday na ngayon, isang linggo na lang. So bigla ko
nakailang araw na kayong rehearsal?
Total, madami-dami na din. Ako isa pa lang. Kasi yung iba, there was training. So I don't,
madugo?
hindi ko rehearsal ang training. So ako bawa ko sa enthusiasm ng lahat. Nakakarinig ka yung iba, Hilo, sina Lassie Mesalompas, si Hindi nila iniinda. Yung all for the program. Sana nakakita ng ganun, di ba?
Tsaka-
That kind of passion and dedication is something else.
Tsaka yung charity din na matutulungan
That's
nyo.
correct. That's correct. Importante. Na-experience ko yun last year kasi ang laki na nang nabigay namin dun sa charity na pinili. Kasi last year, our theme was healing.
Mm-mm.
So we gave the whole of our winnings to Helping Hands Healing Hearts Foundation, which is very close to my heart. I know those people. So this year, paalam ko sa kami nakatokay.